Moen offers a variety of bathroom faucet styles to satisfy everyone's preference. In this video, we'll demonstrate how to install a Moen Two-Handle 4-inch Centerset lavatory faucet. Step 1. Preparation. Before getting started, turn off the hot and cold water inlets for your bathroom faucet. They're usually located in the cabinet below the faucet. Gather the right tools for the job. For safety and ease, Moen recommends using adjustable pliers, an adjustable wrench, thread seal tape, plumber's putty or sealant, and safety glasses. Step 2. Mount the faucet to your countertop or sink. Slide the deck gasket over the hot and cold threaded mounting shanks. Insert the shanks into the mounting holes of the countertop or sink. Thread the mounting nuts until almost tight. Make sure the faucet and gaskets are positioned properly. Then, hand tighten the mounting nuts until the faucet is secure. Step 3. Connect the water supply lines. Thread the water supply lines onto the hot and cold threaded mounting shanks. Tighten with an adjustable wrench. Then, attach the other end of the hot and cold supply lines to the corresponding water inlets. Secure each connection with an adjustable wrench until snug. Be sure you don't over-tighten. Step 4. Install the drain assembly. If your faucet has a chrome, spot resist, or brushed nickel finish, follow these drain assembly instructions. Thoroughly clean and dry the sink surface. Remove the protective covering on the waste seat and unthread the drain nut, washer, and drain gasket. Apply plumber's putty or sealant to the bottom of the waste seat and place it in the drain opening. Slide the drain gasket tapered side up onto the waste seat. Then, slide the washer onto the waste seat and thread the drain nut until it's almost secure. Position the O-ring in the groove at the top of the tailpiece. Thread the tailpiece onto the waste seat. Rotate the entire assembly so the pivot rod opening is facing the back of the sink. Now tighten the drain nut completely. Insert the pop-up plug into the drain. Then place the lift rod into the opening on the faucet body. Slide the lift rod strap onto the lift rod and tighten the bolt to hold it in place. Remove the pivot rod nut and make sure the seal is in place. Slide the pivot rod nut onto the pivot rod. Insert the rod into the opening and tighten the nut. Place the pivot rod clip around the proper hole in the lift rod strap and insert the pivot rod. The knob on the lift rod should be positioned about 1/8 of an inch from the faucet body. In the open position, the drain plug should be 1/2 inch above the waste seat. You should also be able to close the drain completely. Make any adjustments to the lift rod strap and lift rod as needed. Tighten the bolt on the lift rod strap with an adjustable wrench to secure it in place. Remove any excess putty or sealant around the waste seat. If your faucet has a bronze finish, the waste seat and drain body attaches in a slightly different way. Remove the pop-up plug from the drain body and unthread the waste seat. Apply plumber's putty or sealant to the bottom of the waste seat and place it in the drain opening. Thread the drain body into the waste seat. Make sure the pivot rod opening is facing the back of the sink. Then tighten the drain nut with adjustable pliers until it's secure. Follow the previous instructions to install the pop-up plug, lift rod, pivot rod, and strap. The final step is to flush the system and check for leaks. Make sure the faucet handles are in the off position. Remove the aerator from the spout. turn the hot and cold water inlets on. Then turn the faucet on and let the water run for 15 seconds to remove debris and check for leaks. If there are no leaks, replace the aerator. Congratulations! Your job is complete. Installing a two-handle 4-inch Centerset lavatory faucet is fast and easy with Moen. Buy it for looks, buy it for life. If you have any questions about Moen or any of our products, please call Moen Consumer Services.